Hey, as you can see, my neighbors don't respect my car. So today, I'm gonna give them a good reason to hate me by installing an Impreza exhaust and make it louder. Okay, so honestly, the real reason behind this mod is actually to give the little naturally aspirated engine a little bit more breath. I already installed a K&N air filter at the entry point, so now let's get a little bit more flow at the exit point. Hopefully I will get maybe a few more horsepower from this, and the other reason is just to have some fun, you know, have a car a little bit louder and feel more connected to the car while driving it. So this is a catback, an exhaust made for GC8 Impreza, and as far as I know, it should fit on the SF Forester. Maybe it's gonna be like 2 to 3 inch shorter, too short. We'll see. Also, as I said, I want the car to be louder, to have some fun, but I really don't want something too loud, you know, because I don't want to drive hours and have a headache, and also to be bothered by cops. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This is absolutely not the idea. So I don't know how it's gonna sound, so I'm actually pretty interested by this, and I'm pretty sure you too. So install, there you go. Alright, so I've been on this for multiple hours just to get one bolt out. It doesn't come off. I don't have any room for the ingot grinder. I have any room for anything actually. So I'm pretty stuck right now. I'm just gonna give up for today. It's holding my dad. Come on. I'm gonna jiggle it until it snaps. And it will. Oh. Yes. Alright, so let's compare the two exhausts now. Okay. The hanger here is different. There's a double here. Maybe I will have to cut one side. In terms of length, if I align that, honestly, it looks like pretty much the same. Let's try to fit that. That's the previous gasket, a bit worn out, and this is what I had to do on the bolt to get it out. This and the nut is actually completely open. So new gasket, new hangers, red for extra horsepower. Obviously, this seems a little bit longer than the other one, and I think that's a good thing because seems like the tow bar is gonna be on the way of the new exhaust. So let's try this. Also got some marine grade hardware, so it's not gonna rust again. It should be better. I managed to put bolts over there and this hanger here, but as I said, I think the tow bar is getting a bit in the way of it, so this one is gonna be impossible to put, and I think this one over there, I can manage to fit it. Alright, so the new exhaust is on. The fitment is really not the best. I'm really curious. I want to hear how it sounds. So just let's start. Hopefully it will be a great sound. Well, it seems loud, but there is an exhaust leak. Just over there, I can feel it. You can hear. It's actually coming from this. Alright, so after this test drive, I think I like the sound. It's not that bad, it's not that loud, and I think I like it. Well, the only thing is the fitment. It's not fitting well, as you can see. It hangs way lower than the original one. So two solutions for me, and I really want your honest opinion in the comments down below. Please guys, I need you on this one. Should I keep going and maybe go to a professional welder that's gonna make it fit way better to the car, or should I just stop it and put it on Craigslist and not thinking about it anymore? Please guys, let me know in the comments what you think about it, and maybe you have another solution, another reference that might fit better, maybe a little bit less noisy. You tell me. So anyway, it still felt great to hear a nice Subaru sound out of the DailyFoz. That was a nice experience. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account. I'm gonna post some pictures of this bad boy, and also my website for awesome articles about Subarus, about overlanding. And if you want to support me in another way, I also have a Patreon page. So thank you guys for watching, and see you soon, maybe with a part 2 of the DailyFoz exhaust. Stay tuned.